This week's must-have tool is the common square. You always want to check your wood to make sure that your cuts are square across the end, or if you're laying something out on a board and you need to mark it across there where you want to have a cut, you want it nice and square, you got to have a good square. The thing that's important about it is you got to make sure that your square is actually square. So the way we do that is you take a known straight edge here, you run your square up on there, make a line down it, then simply turn it over like this. Line that up nice and close to that line again. Make another mark down there. Then I moved it. If those two lines are parallel, then your square is perfectly square. Another good use for this is if you've moved your bandsaw bed and you want to check that your bandsaw blade is square to the table, set it right up on there like that. It'll tell you that your bandsaw is square. Another way to check out your table saw being square in the shop, pull your blade all up, come across here, set it up there, right up next to that blade. There's no gap in there. That table saw blade is perfectly square to the table. Another way to check your bandsaw for square, just to give you a little different view of it, is to take a pretty large piece, make sure you got a nice square bottom here, fire your bandsaw up. Put just a little line down the back of it, and then turn the whole thing around this way. If that bandsaw is running perfectly square, that blade's going to slide right into that slot from the back, just like that. Easiest way to make sure that your bandsaw is cutting perfectly square. Get everything set up with a common square in your shop, a must-have tool.